Priti Kumbar. Today I will tell you that how to assemble our tripod. So this parcel I have got from the Amazon. So let's open the parcel. So first here you will get the tripod cover, mobile holder, extra pipe, or here is our main thing, that is our tripod. So this tripod open like this. So do you want the tallest tripod? So here is there 3 locks. So you have to open this like this, or like this. So our tallest tripod is ready. So now I am adjusting into small. So first here you will get the extra pipe. So this extra pipe here will adjust. Like this. And here you will get the mobile holder, and we have to assemble here. Like this we have to assemble it. And our mobile holder is ready. But do you want to change this direction? You can change like this. Like this. So have you learned that how to assemble this tripod? Please tell me. Thank you.